village.com. Now, in this segment, I'm going to be showing you how to set your tile and applying the mud to the floor. We've let our mud slack off after mixing it for 10 minutes. I have a good cake batter consistency. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some to the floor. Notches in the trowel are 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. Make sure to always follow the manufacturer's recommendation for the proper trowel notching. The notches on the trowel serve as a measuring device for the amount of adhesive that you're putting down. Never go in a swirling pattern with your mud for ceramic because you get air pockets. You always want to go straight back and forth. Never apply more mud to the floor than you can adequately install tile into within 20 minutes. When you set your tile, give it a little twist to make sure it's seated firmly and make sure you're still on line. Take your spacers, set your spacer in, and install your next piece of tile. Again, give it that little twist to make sure it's firmly seated. After you're done installing your floor, it's time to grout. You can't grout your floor without letting the tile set in the mud for a good 24 hours. So keep in mind, any ceramic project is a 2-day job. No matter if it's 20 feet or 500 feet, it's a minimum 2-day job.